This is a love reading for the sun sign Aquarius for the period of April to May. In this love reading, I will be doing a heart-shaped spread, where on my left are the cards for you Aquarius and on my right are the cards for your love interest, your partner if you're married, then your spouse. Once I've seen how the cards are for Aquarians who are dating and are a couple, I will remove the partner cards to only look at Aquarians who are single and looking for love. If you were to write to me for a personal reading, I complete the heart-shaped spread with the time spread, which is to know when is it likely that you will find someone nice and you will be in a relationship. Since this is a general reading, I cannot do a time spread, and we only take the guidance on how things are looking for you. Also, please note that not everything in this reading will apply to all the Aquarians, and whatever will apply will vary in the intensity. So first I'm asking is, who are you Aquarius in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner or the relationship? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. So let us see what is the guidance. Aquarians, it's looking like you're going through a very good phase monetarily and you're very committed to your career. And the reason you're able to put a lot of attention to money, career and creating some sound financial basis because your relationship seems to be very solid. Also, your partner seems to be doing very well as well. So I am seeing it's quite possible that you're taking help or guidance from your love interest or your partner in how to go about doing your work or business. Your love interest or partner is someone very capable, someone very confident. So it's quite possible your love interest has created immense amount of success for themselves purely on their ability. So you do look up to your partner for a lot of guidance and advice. Or it's possible that Aquarius, you discuss a lot of things with your love interest, which tells me that it is a very compatible relationship. Aquarians, it's also possible that your partner is someone very sought after and maybe very well to do, and you may be someone who's starting out. So you may be in a relationship with someone who's well established or has things going great for them and you are just starting out. So you still have to rough it out while your partner has seemed to create for themselves a very stable and successful career. What is the strength or challenge you bring and what is the strength or challenge your partner brings? You are very positive, Aquarius, and you do believe in immense amount of love and happiness. It's just that you take time to warm up to things. So your strength is you approach with lot of caution, lot of assessment of what is right, not right. But once you are in and once you like whatever comes your way, you are fully enjoying the whole situation or the relationship. So it's telling me it took you a while to get to know your partner and fall in love and be able to see beyond their success and really see the core of your partner, and you did take time and now you're bringing this immense amount of positivity and happiness into the relationship. So your strength really is that now you seem to be perfectly convinced that you are dating the kind of person you wanted always. For some of you, if you're still in a phase of still getting to know your love interest, it's telling me you may just take a bit of a while, but you're going to come out smiling that you found such a nice love interest. What is the strength or challenge your partner brings? Someone very, very genuine. I'm just seeing your partner may not just be successful, they may be doubly successful. So people not just love your partner for their abilities and what they can do and bring to the table. They are also liked for being so genuine and caring for other people. It's very possible, Aquarius, your partner has a very great career and are immensely well liked by people all around. So you are dating someone very, very nice and solid, really. So they know what they have to deliver in terms of expertise, but they're amazingly humble and down to earth. So there is this whole genuineness and innocence that your love interest brings to the relationship. Very easy to be liked and trusted. That's how your love interest is. It's quite possible sometimes, Aquarius, you do feel a bit jealous that or a bit possessive more than jealous. Sometimes it's possible, Aquarius, you feel very possessive that someone may be trying to eye your partner or take him or her away from you. It's quite possible. How do you see your love interest and how does your partner see you? So you do see your partner as someone very sensitive, gentle, and who understands the situation and will always take a very balanced view. So you feel very secure with this love partner. So your feelings of insecurity or possessiveness may be unfounded considering this is how you feel. It's quite possible once you are able to talk and discuss things with your love interest, things are all well settled and stable between the two of you. So you do see your partner as someone very, very sensitive and understanding, and you have a great amount of respect for your love interest. How does your love interest see you? Well, looks like you went through something very hard and tough in the past and now you are recovering. So it's looking like career wise, Aquarius, you may have made some very bad decisions or you got betrayed and you lost a lot of money. I'm just seeing this whole energy of someone who was dead and out. So your partner does empathize with you and they want you to get back on your feet and start to enjoy life. So they do understand your pain from the past and are extending a lot of love and genuineness to you. The good part is, Aquarius, you've already started to move on from this energy and you're looking at immense positivity into your career and work and generally feeling the good life. What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future, and what is the hope or fear you have about the relationship or the in the future? So you are feeling, Aquarius, you are bowed down by the amount of work this relationship needs. You are just feeling, are you capable of making this relationship successful? Will this relationship work out given that not much support or there is not much which is available to you? This is a very normal feeling to have considering your partner is probably well settled and well to do and you may be starting all over again. So you do have some concerns that how will things be in the future. You're not totally so sure, and the reason is you see so much work ahead of you in terms of providing for and creating a great life together. How does your partner feel about the future with you or the relationship? Your partner sees you as a soulmate connection. So, Aquarius, there is no need to feel insecurity. There is absolutely no need to feel such great concern. You should be reciprocating love and doing and moving ahead with what needs to be done, because your partner is totally convinced that this is the relationship to be and this is a blessed union. They totally believe this is happily ever after relationship with you. So you have someone very credible, and the good part is this person is in love with you, immensely in love with you. So very great cards for you, Aquarius, and your love partner. What is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So you have been in a very introspective state in the past, because you seem to have made some hurried decisions and regretted them at leisure. That is why maybe you like to, before you give in totally in the relationship, you would like to be very sure. So this is your energy of someone who hurried into a decision and then regretted it. It may also have to do a lot with certain betrayal you felt in the past. What is the past energy your partner is coming from? Well, your partner seem to have been betrayed as well and seem to have had their fair share of relationship not working, disappointments to deal with. But the good part is they are not carrying any of this energy. It just seems to have elevated them as a person, and they have created a great amount of success. And that is why it's looking like your partner has become a very good judge of character and is madly in love with you. So very beautiful energy here. Now what is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading? There is a bit of possessiveness in this relationship. Now, unless there is a need to be so cautious and possessive, this energy may not be really be needed. While it's not doing any damage, it may be preoccupying one of you too much. It's quite possible, Aquarius, either you are being too possessive or your partner is being possessive. The guidance really is this energy is not needed. You both can be free because there is a lot of love in the air and not feel so insecure if at all. The good part is this relationship has everything going, and I do see a lot of success in the coming future. So it is a very beautiful reading really for you, Aquarius, and your partner. Now I will remove the partner cards to only look at Aquarians who are single and are looking for love. Aquarius, if you are single and you are looking for love, you can't be regretting just about everything that has gone wrong. Some financial decisions that went wrong, certain success that was delayed, some business that you have started but you're not sure of, and then some decisions you took in haste. So it's telling me there is just so much you are introspecting about, and it's just not setting you free to take some risk, to go out, spend some money and just feel good about things. I am just saying that because of certain disappointments or certain things that you had to deal with, there is this whole energy of just holding back. So Aquarius, there is absolutely no reason to hold back. Bad times are gone. Certain delays that had to happen have happened. Certain pain that was there is starting to heal. If you started a business, you still have to be able to enjoy life. So a lot of you are not enjoying life. It's telling me it's a good deal of you maybe just living a very routine daily life. And the guidance really is you may want to throw your caution away and take some risk and start to meet some people who are absolutely different from your dream man or a woman really. So this is how the guidance is. Is there love waiting for you? There is great amount of love waiting for you. It is also possible that you are very personable, very liked by everyone around. It's just that you're so cautious. You don't let anyone come near. So you will have to let go of this energy, Aquarius, to find love and be in a relationship. So this is how your reading is, Aquarius, from April to May as a love reading.